Yo, what is up, guys? So about a month ago, I took one of these Ancestry DNA tests, basically to just find out what I am. And so today we're gonna look at the results. Now, I know that I'm German and Italian, Polish and Ukrainian. We're gonna see what I actually am. So as you can see, whoa, 43% British. Damn. Alright, I did not expect that at all. Alright, looks like there's no big surprises. Pretty much 100% European. I'm primarily English. Wow. Where's the German then? So I'm like 37% Eastern European. European South. I know I'm definitely Italian, but I'm only 25% Italian. Wow. Low confidence regions. Caucasus. That's like Armenia and stuff. So I'm like 6% from that area. Alright, that's actually wow. I knew I was gonna be like Jewish or something. European Jewish. I knew there was definitely some Jewish in there. Caucasus. 3% Scandinavian. Explains my pale blue eyes. European West. There's the German. I'm only like 15% German though. And that could even be like French. Wow. Ireland, Scotland, Wales, that Celticness. Wow, I did not expect to be British or even like Caucasian. So I'm actually more like Armenian or like that area. Armenia shows that you have links to southern Italy. I know I'm definitely like southern Italian, because my great grandfather was from there. Wow. So I'm actually more Caucasian than I am Irish. That's weird. That's really weird. So no big surprises. So the only like non-European one is the Caucasus. I did not expect English at all, but apparently I am mostly English. Wow, I gotta start changing my whole attitude. So I'm mostly English and Slavic actually. I'm more Slavic than I am Italian. That actually blew my mind away in a lot of different ways.